Hello students, today we're going to learn about a US mobile company, Motorola. Most of us at least once must have heard the name of the company, Motorola. Let us know this company in a much better way. Motorola Incorporation Telecommunications Company is based in Schaumburg, Illinois, United States. After having lost $4.3 billion from 2007 to 2009, the company was divided into two independent public companies, Motorola Mobility and Motorola Solutions, on January 4, 2011. Motorola Solutions is generally considered to be the direct successor to Motorola Incorporation, as the reorganization was structured with Motorola Mobility being spun off. Motorola Mobility, owned by Google, is breaking through the barriers that separate people from the things they love. They're designing technology that connects seamlessly so consumers have the best content at their fingertips every second of every day. TV, talk, text, email and web surfing, we're putting people at the center of it all. It's what we call a Motorola-powered future, and we're making the devices that do more so people can do more. Motorola's wireless telephone handset division was a pioneer in cellular telephones. Also known as the personal communications sector, PCS, prior to 2004, it pioneered the mobile phone with Dyna TAC flip phone with the micro TAC, as well as the clamp phone with the SATAC in the mid-1990s. It had staged a resurgence by the mid-2000s with the Razr, but lost market share in the second half of that decade. Later, it focused on smartphones using Google's open-source Android mobile operating system. The first phone to use the newest versions of Google's open-source OS, Android 2.0, was released on November 2, 2009 as the Motorola Droid. The handset division was later spun off into the independent Motorola Mobility. Motorola started in Chicago, Illinois as Galvin Manufacturing Corporation in 1928 when Paul V. and Joseph E. Galvin purchased the bankrupt Stewart Battery Company's battery eliminator plants and manufacturing equipment at auction for $750. Galvin Manufacturing Corporation set up shop in a small section of a rented building. The company had $565 in working capital and 5 employees. The first week's payroll was $63. The company's first products were battery eliminator devices that enabled battery-powered radios to operate on household electricity. Due to advances in radio technology, battery eliminators soon became obsolete. In 1986, Motorola invented the Six Sigma quality improvement process. This became a global standard. In 1990, General Instrument Corporation, which was later acquired by Motorola, proposed the first all-digital HDTV standard. In the same year, the company introduced the Bravo numeric pager, which became the world's best-selling pager. In 2007, Motorola acquired Symbol Technologies to provide products and systems for enterprise mobility solutions, including rugged mobile computing, advanced data capture, and radio frequency identification (RFID). In January 2011, Motorola split into two separate companies, each still using the word Motorola as part of their name. One company, Motorola Solutions, using a blue version of the Motorola logo, is based in the Chicago suburb of Schaumburg, Illinois, and concentrates on police technologies, radios, and commercial needs. August 15, 2011, Google announced that it would purchase Motorola Mobility for about $12.5 billion. On November 17, 2011, Motorola Mobility stockholders voted overwhelmingly to approve the proposed merger with Google Incorporation. Corporate responsibility (CR) means operating ethically, protecting the environment through their products, services, and operations, and supporting the communities where they do business. Motorola CR programs have broad reach, helping customers save energy, creating sources of conflict-free minerals, protecting and developing their employees, and investing in the communities where they live and work. Corporate responsibility is a mainstream business function and a commitment they take very seriously. Enterprise mobility solutions. Motorola develops analog and digital two-way radio, voice and data communications products and systems, mobile computing, advanced data capture, wireless infrastructure, and RFID solutions to customers worldwide. Home and networks mobility. Motorola develops digital video system solutions, interactive set-top devices, voice and data modems for digital subscriber line and cable networks, broadband access systems for cable and satellite television operators, and also wireless carriers and wireless service providers. mobile devices. This includes cellular and wireless systems and as well as integrated applications and Bluetooth accessories. Some of the latest gadgets are Moto G2, Moto X Gen 2, Moto 360 smartwatch, etc. Motorola plans to roll out Moto Maker to Western Europe and Mexico. The company didn't rule out the possibility of more wooden bags to show up in time for launch, but don't expect them to. The Moto X itself is also coming to new markets and is scheduled to hit India and Australia. The company won't ditch Android for another free operating system such as Tizen, and it has no plans to develop Windows phones. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Motorola. We went through the company's history to its present scenario. Hope the information about the company was useful and have a good day ahead.